All right, y'all, check it out. Here's the before. Regular original headlights. That's about to change. And just like that, they're in. Now I'm going to show you the DRL. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. All right, I'm going to turn it off one more time. I'm just going to show you what it looks like aesthetically off. Looks like, man, beautiful. Stealth look. Modern looking. Brightest second generation headlights in the world. All right, we're going to put our parking light back on, our DRL on. And then what we're going to show you is our blinker. So I'm just going to hit the emergency so you can see both of them at the same time. And then once you come off of it, it goes right back to the daytime running light, parking light, yada yada. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when we turn it on. Look at that beautiful thing. Those projectors, those Morimoto projectors. Again, guys, a lot of these guys that are builders or whatever you want to call it, they call themselves, are using a lot of generic stuff for their profits. We do not use generic stuff. We have an alignment board. We're a business, not an individual. And we align the lights on the alignment board. But what you can do too as well, if you don't have an alignment board, it's not no big deal. What you do is you just go to the top of the projector, kind of like take your hand and then put it up against your body and then walk 25 feet away. And then just take your hand right there. And that's where the line should be. Exactly where the line is. That's what we do. It's 25 feet away. We measure from the top of the projector and make sure it matches up against the wall 25 feet away. Also, what I'm going to show you is the high beam. The shutter's going to open up. Oh, it's super, super bright. Off again, on again. Wonderful. All right. So, guys, when you're ready for the best, brightest second generation lights in the world, give us a shout or put your order online. I'll put the link in the video so you can see it and order it yourself. If you have questions, you can give us a shout. You do have the option of putting the switchbacks right here on the corner. It doesn't come in the order, but if you do have a variation selection that you can select if you want the switchbacks or not. When you're ready for the brightest second generation lights in the world, and you want to get rid of this crap, this junk, give us a shout or click that buy it now online. Thank you and have a blessed day.